Hi, students. Today, let us discuss a new topic, that is how to read a newspaper. How to read a newspaper, or how to get more from the daily newspaper of your choice by using a minimum time of 20 minutes. You know the importance of newspapers. You know the importance of newspapers even in this digital era. Various events in India and abroad have once again underlined the crucial role of newspapers in a democratic society. Democracy cannot survive unless citizens can view developments and problems with objectivity and reason, and for this, they need continual access to an accurate and full answer to the question, what is new? The question is, what is new? And the answer is in the newspapers or our dailies. Despite shortage of paper and finance, our country is blessed with some excellent newspapers, and we are having brilliant analysts, courageous editors, tireless reporters, gifted photographers, and delightful cartoonists. Now, here is one system for getting more from the daily of your choice. Now, let us discuss the various stages or steps in this process. So, first of all, the 5 steps. The first step, scan the headlines. Scanning the headlines. Second one, read the big stories of the day. Third one, read the editorials. Then look at the cartoons and photographs and read your favorite page or read what you like. The steps once again. First of all, scan the headlines or scanning the headlines. Second one, read the big stories of the day or read the big news stories of the day. Then read the editorials. Then look at the cartoons and photographs, and finally read what you like, that is your favorite page. Now let us discuss these steps one by one. The first one is scanning the headlines, or simply scan the headlines. It's a good opportunity to practice skimming, and this stage will give you an overall view of the events. This will give you the bird's eye view of the happenings of the day. So, scanning the headlines will enable you to get an overall view of the happenings in and around us. This needs only 2 minutes. 2 minutes, that is required for scanning the headlines. Then, second one, read the big news stories of the day, or read the big news of the day, or read the big stories of the day using 6 minutes. You need 6 minutes for reading the big stories of the day, the local stories, the national stories, and the international stories. The local events, the national events, and the international events, and this will keep you informed. This will keep you informed. You can take informed decisions based on the various stories of the day. So, reading the big news stories of the day, that requires 6 minutes. So, 2 minutes for scanning the headlines, 6 minutes for reading the big news of the day. Now comes read the editorials. The third step is read the editorials. This will tell you what the events mean. What the events mean, at least as the editor sees it. At least as the editor views it or sees it, we can have the meaning of the various events by reading the editorials or editorial page. You need 6 minutes for reading the editorials. So 6 minutes for reading the big stories and 6 minutes for reading the editorials. Now the fourth one, look at the cartoons and photographs. Various cartoons drawn by the delightful cartoonists various photographs taken by the wonderful photographers. So these cartoons and photographs will give us insight, humor, and heightened observation. As you know, almost all newspapers are having their own photographers, the wonderful photographers, and they are having the delightful cartoonists. So these cartoons and photographs will give a clear picture of the big events or a clear picture of the complex events in a very simple way. So the fourth step, look at the cartoons and photographs that requires only 1 minute. By using 1 minute, you can have a clear picture of the event of the day or events of the day. Then the last one, read what you like or read your favorite page. You can use 5 minutes for reading the favorite page. Sports, cinema, films, comics, education, business matters, etc. By using 5 minutes, you can read your favorite page. It may be sports, it may be cinema, it may be education, or it may be business. This is mainly for fun and relaxation, and sometimes for more information. That is especially in the case of education, business, etc. This area will give you more information. So fun, relaxation, and information. You need 5 minutes for reading your favorite page. So by using 2 minutes, you can scan the headlines. 6 minutes for reading the big stories of the day. Use 6 minutes for reading the editorials. Then 1 minute for looking at the cartoons and photographs. And 5 minutes for reading the favorite page. Total 20 minutes. So by adopting this system, by experimenting this system, you can get more from the daily of your choice or dailies of your choice by using the precious 20 minutes, and you can get fresh news in the morning itself. And when you get time in the evening or when you are free, you can read these matters or read the newspapers in detail. So try to experiment this. Try to use 20 minutes for reading a newspaper, especially for getting an overall view of the events, to keep you informed, then to know the meaning of the events and have insight, humor, etc., and also have fun and relaxation. Okay.